body. So, if you are in alignment with all the bodies, we are in the health or wellness. My first slide, please. Slide, please. So, today I am presenting a paper regarding the healing effect of panchagavya. Please, my slide. Anybody want to translate to Hindi also welcome, because most of the delegates are Hindi. So I am basically from Cochin. I am integrating panchagavya along with modern medicine, along with homeopathy, along with all the padis, because human body is a complex system. Only one single system we cannot tackle the problems nowadays, because the human body and the human system is contaminated so much. We just told yesterday and today morning, the human body is at a difficult period. It cannot go like that. Otherwise, there is enough purification has to take place. For this, panchagavya is among the king medicine. So you have to understand how the panchagavya is acting on subtle body, how the healing is produced. Noted, come please. So for every purpose, if you can add to the other system also, panchagavya will work wonders. It will act itself also. So the action is in the subtle energy level that I want to emphasize to all the delegates. You have to study the physiology, you have to study how the panchagavya medicine is acting on human body. That is very important. Then only we will have the confidence. This disease will eradicate, we can cure patients. So why we are here yearly? So this is to boost up our experience. We have to boost up our sharing and caring. So healing principles of panchagavya therapy. This is Jai Mada, Jai Gomada. Then the next slide, please. So this is my center at Cochin. So here we are doing a lot of research. Next slide, please. So what is panchagavya? Panchagavya, what is panchagavya? This is otherwise called Kaupadi. What is panchagavya means? It is we are treating gavyas using the deshi cow, organic products from the 5 components from the gavyas that we are using for curing or treating patients. These gavyas will act on human body and this will cleanse the Buddhas. We are also made up of Panchabhuta, the earth, then water, then fire, then Vayu, Agasha. So Pancha Dravyas are cleansing by using appropriate organic products by gavyas from the cow. That is the divinity. What is the importance of gavya than other substances? Because as Guruji told, some from the sun, the visual energy is collecting in the human, the sacred cow, and it is delivering through the pancha dravyas for our treatment. It is for cleansing the universe also. That is the importance of dravyas. So it is very simple. It has no side effects. Panchagavya has no side effect. It has to be given for a specific period for cleansing the Panchabhuta and thereby balancing the Tridosha theory. Next slide, please. Principles of therapy, that is the medicinal substances what you are using is arkam, then the cow dung, that is curd, ghee and milk. These are the main substances used from Deshi cow. Next slide please. For therapy. So this is the balance. First is air, then water, then fire, then coming to the air and akasha. So these Panchagudas are the elements. These can purify by using these dravyas from divine cow. This is from only Deshi cow. This Deshi cow is having more than 260 to 300 liters of bioenergy. By aura scan, we can measure. You will be amazed. That is why this effect is produced in the human body. Next slide, please. So this is the Tridosha theory for human body, human mind, and human emotions. So these Tridoshas will correct the fire element and the Vayu element, and the earth element can modify the Panchagavya and thereby balance our Tridosha, thereby health can be produced. Next slide please. So Panchagavya acts on energy chakra. You can see different energies. Panchagavas are acting on seven chakras. Different energy you can see. That is the first one is the buttermilk for the basic chakra for the buttermilk. Next is cow dung, second one, milk, third one. Then the curd is our ghee, is the fourth one. Fifth one will be arkam. Then the sixth and seventh ghee and basmam. So by appropriate case taking, case taking and prescription, we can achieve the energy chakra balancing. Next slide. Thereby we can achieve the cure. So healing principle of Tridosha along with the modern medicine. I am connecting, because I am a modern medicine man, I am connecting Vada, Pitta and Kapha. If you ask to any Ayurvedic doctor also, he will be puzzled by answering what is Vada, what is Pitta and what is Kapha. According to our modern electromicroscopic study, the energy flow in the cell is disturbed, that is called Kapha. The next is Pitta. Pitta is the cytoplasmic changes in the cell. That is derangement in the cytoplasm. If you put under electron microscope, there is shift, there is change in the cytoplasm. Then there is the nucleus. Nuclear change happens. That is the propagation of the disease, and that is the Vada. So treating Vada is a difficult procedure with any system. So it will take its own time because it was long inherited. It was having initial stage of Kapha, then transferred to Pitta, and then Vada, that is in the nucleus. That is why it is very difficult. If you treat Vada, then you are a Gavya Siddha. That is a challenging test of Gavya Siddha. Treat a Vada patient and let it be with reverse it. That is a challenging scenario for Gavya Siddha. So next slide please. So human cell cycle, there is a cell cycle, 0 to 30 years. That is a normal in the Kapha stage. After normally it just happens like this only. From 30 to 60, we have to be in the Pitta position. And the last 60 to 120 or 100, we should be in the Vada only. Because if you want to postpone our Vada position, the long term will be our rejuvenation, our longevity will be higher. So Kapha can again be 0 to 3. That is Kapha, Pitta, Kapha, Vada. Then 3 things again it can be subdivided, and totally there is 27 cycle. 27 cycle means end of Vada, and that is the end of the person's cell cycle, and the end means that is end disease or death. Understood? Or moksha. That is the end product of this combination. So next slide please. This is as per the modern medicine. You know the time clock also I am not given much time. I am not giving in the details. If you study the time clock, it is better that all the 12 organs are working in this time hours, 2 hours, and you can give medicines in this particular time and the efficacy will be more. Next slide please. So you should study this. So for wellness is the industry. In my hospital I am integrating panchagavya along with the Ayurvedic rejuvenative therapy. See, this is Shiradhara for any morning it just explained some changes in the pituitary that will produce some irritability, that is crime factor like that. So we can reverse with this head therapy, that is the Shirodhara. So next slide please. This is for one wellness procedure. This is panchagavya wellness, that is we are doing with the physical therapy, that we can use our products, cow dung, oil, pain oils, everything can be given. Next is this is the full body of income. This is a boy of 18 years. He is having rheumatoid arthritis. Rheumatoid since 12 years, and with the modern medicine also there is no relief. Without treatment he is better now. This is rheumatoid case. Abhingam is going with our oils. Next slide please. This is a wellness, that is a detox for any skin diseases. Detox is very good. For our detox we can use cow dung, we can mix the cow dung powder with arkam, and we can massage it in the body for 20 to 30 minutes. Then after that we can give the steam bath. This is the steam bath so that all the skin rejuvenation will take. In your center also you can administer this type of therapy along with that, so that it will generate some income for you also. That is why I am presenting here. It is not my purpose. I am here for you only. Next. So you can, so auric details you can know. In the auric field there are so many contamination can happen, chakra breakage, paracentral energies, so negative energies, when you have stress, everything can influence the human aura. Aura is the bioenergy, so that it can also affect and it will diminish. For wellness, 2 to 3 meters of bioenergy is needed. Usually 0.5 meters and less will be patient. Understood. Next. So that is the wellness. Next one, please. Next one, please. Next. So this is the being of full body massage, and after that we can steam. Next. This is the steamer. So simple mechanism. Next. This is chakra, auric details, soul power, soul influence, external influence. These are all take a lot of time to explain. So because of the short in time, cut shortly, go to next slide. So common healing tools are used: arkam preparation, ghee preparation, buttermilk, milk. All of you know that crowd and preparation, special instant panchagavya, that is the king remedy. Then nasya aushadhi. Then netra aushadhi, karna aushadhi, external oils, ointments, body preparation, healing sprays preparation, cosmetic preparation, and the last one also which just I introduced homeopathic attenuation preparation from this ammoniacal preparation, and it is very easy to administer, the cost effective, very effective also. You can also try that panchagavya tool in your practice. Next one. Signs and symptoms and evaluation. How you will take if a patient comes to you, you have to take the signs and symptoms. That is the first thing. How it is happened, what has happened, why it is, where, what is the basis, everything. You have to ask a lot of questions and derive some diagnosis. Then you can have nadi parisha, and you can have vata pitta kapha imbalance. And you can ask the bhuta shakti in chronic diseases. Panchagavya medicine selection and application based on the Panchagavya medicines are selected. According to the body sensitivity, the dosage repetition is calculated and administered for a specific period. That is purification and balancing Panchagavya Dosha into wellness that needs time. So we have to take time also. Understood? 2 minutes for me. Then diet you have to be important. Regular follow-up, evaluation, next protocol. If you want protocol is not working, you have to change the other protocol, next one. So the Panchagavya preparation, it's important. So the Panchagavya along with its specific purpose. Next one. Case study. This is a psychosis with the fear complex. You can see a patient. This is treated with Panchagavya only for presenting the ear. Otherwise, I will also add some medicine. Next slide. See, this is a patient, Arjun, 28 years, he's a office, where he is having a depressive psychosis after sudden fear at night. Next slide. He came. Now I have evaluated and he has a depression. Last year also the Arkham, Panchagavya, bioenergy conversion, counseling, everything is that is sickness has gone, he has improved. Next one, this is the bioenergy only 50 centimeters. Next slide. After giving Nasi Aushadhi, I am checking. Next slide. This is initial. After giving Nasi Aushadhi, I am checking. Next slide. Next slide, please. Next slide. This is a bioscanner. Next slide. Next slide, the bioenergy is improving. And after that, I am giving Arkam. After that, Panchagavya Arkam, then energy has improved. After that, I was given ghee also. The Basma water also. So, totally his bioenergy has improved to 3.5 meters in a single sitting with the Panchagavya only. Understood? This is for boosting your bioenergy. See. Next slide. Next slide. Yeah, next slide. Next slide. We don't have time. Next slide. So it is improving bioenergy. Next slide. Next slide. So Basma water I am giving. This is Basma water. So after that, the energy has enormously improved into 3 meters. So I am taking after Basma water. So see, it has improved. Yeah, see, that has improved. That is why the action of the healing action can be demonstrated for you. Next slide. Next slide. This is another case of psoriasis that is improving. Next. Case study, psoriatic case study, Panchagavya. Next. See, this is a patient, police officer. They are going for 51. He is suffering from chronic psoriatic skin lesions since 7 years. He is in the schema. Next slide. See, this is a skin lesion in the body, severe skin lesion. Next slide. Itching, scaly lesion. Treatment protocol. Apply Chandrama Arkam with the powder. Wait for 20-30 minutes. Prepare for the steamer. Put in 100 ml with 100 ml Arkam with 2 liters of water. Put the patient on the steamer. Steam for 20 to 30 minutes. Adequate water before and after steaming. That should be important. Sometimes otherwise that is giddiness can happen. Treatment medicine. Murdarakam, Panchagavya, Basmam, Nasi Aushadhi, everything can be given along with that. That will be good result. Yes, medicine, everything I explained. Next slide. We are short in time. Okay. Thank you all. This here in the garden city of India. I think